Hey guys, what's up? It's Josephine Live here, and I am quite tired. Yeah. So I have just finished recording, and there's Gab. There's a car.
Whose car is that?
That's ours. And there's a big lion there, Gab. It's want to eat it. So yeah, I'll just get a little vacation. I I think it was a 5-hour trip, and it's a trip of 1 hour to get here. From where we are is Caloocan in here. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you can do it.
Where?
Where tayo? Where?
Ano, nasa lababo.
Tayo, where's my bag? Gab. Gab, let's go. Alright. So we're just gonna bring this back to the car, and we'll be right back. Here, Gab, let's go. Come here. Maybe not. Maybe not return. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Dapat, di ba natin? Hindi ko pa naman ako may slap eh.
You know what? I am afraid of heights. So just listening to just just looking down is kind of dangerous for me. It's because it's it's very terrifying. Hallelujah. So it's kind of peaceful here, and so we can hear birds. Completo. So it's kind of peaceful. Yeah. And we are going somewhere else. So yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sug mo yung bag. Sug mo yung bag.
Gab, give.
Sa susunod ikaw mag-aayos lahat ng gamit mo.
Me?
Eh, sino?
Si Gab. Dahil binilig mo yung charger ko. Dahil sa ko yung charger ko. Ikaw gumamit. Don't worry about it. Ayos na tayo. Wait, I'm just gonna admire the statue. Yeah, it's nice. George. Meow. Aray.
Kamay.
Where's the water?
Nasa likod, lahat.
It's okay.
Susunod, ayusin lahat ng gamit mo ha. Hindi may taga-ayos ka. Ginagamit mo, saka mo kukunin.
pera mo.
Ay, na.
Saan? Oh my God, oh my God.
Aso, aso.
Lug.
Push! Push!
Hello. Bakit? Pauwi na kami. Oh, mag-off ka raw. Ayaw eh, alam mo naman to. Wala naman to sa sarili niya.
Ay, wala!
Tayo mag-usap.
Charge ko?
Charge mo na. Tingnan mo nag-charge. Tingnan mo nag-charge.
Charging 22%.
Tapos pag sa swimming pool, di ba? Inames ka siya, so huwag ka nagbubuhat sa balikat. Kasi hindi ka masaway. Ha? Yun.
Gusto ng kotse tayo.
Seatbelt ka dyan.
Ilang hours ulit pumunta dito sa Marikina?
30 minutes siguro. Asan na yung supply?
Nilagay ko dito.
Ano mo?
Diyan palagay.
Ano yung lugar ha. Nakakahiya. Ayun, lalo ka na. Ikaw pinakamalaki. Ikaw nagkukontrol niya.
Pwede, pwede.
Bawal ka nga daw, di ba?
Huwag yan, Gab. May mani yan. Bawal sa'yo yung may mani. Baka matake allergy mo. Ito, gusto mo ito? Ha? Bigyan mo. Ba't di ka kumain din ng rice, ha?
Yeah?
Ikaw, Gab, ba't di ka rin kumain ng rice? May ulam doon, may manok. May adobo.
Yeah, ready lang ako. Much more nutritious.
Hindi, pares lang yung maganda pa ang rice. Madalis matunaw yung rice. Ganda, Joshua. Ganda ka.
Oh.
Ano sa mga anak?
Kakagat ako rito.
Hindi mo na sa kanya yan, Josh. Ano ka ba? Dami-dami niyan eh.
Very terrible camera, so do forgive me for that. But if you guys remember what songs I played, do feel free to tweet me at JudySharks899 to remind me of what I actually did play. And if you have any requests, go ahead and tweet me through there as well. Call me up 631-0899 if you feel like it. No Jam today. She is out and about driving somewhere. So she was here earlier for the Pop 30 countdown. And I am here in the meantime. We also have a little shout out for you guys. Now, this one's really awesome, and I urge you guys to check this one out. Now, what happens when 6 people who live in a society where grander issues overshadow their individual experiences begin to blur the lines between the vastness of contemporary concerns and their intimate circumstances? Featuring music from Kerrigan and Loudermilk. Keep an eye out for Ateneo Blue Repertory's member-created production, Shared Spaces. Shows are run from April 29 to 30 and May 6 to 7 with 8 p.m. shows every night and 3 p.m. shows every Saturday. Tickets will be for sale starting
Yeah.
Monday, April 8th.
Basura.
For inquiries,
Saan
please
nilagay?
contact
Bakit?
Chris Confuel at 0917-553-0053. Once again, that's 0917-553-0053. So if you guys have the time, you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check it out.
I'm vlogging.
Speaking of checking things out, check this track out.
Bye-bye.
My segues are absolutely horrible.